Hello everyone, my name is Lessie Konarik and I'm here to tell you on how to form a study group. Now I know most people are like, I've formed study groups before. They don't work, we never meet up, they don't send reminders, it's not effective. Well, it can be, and I'm here to teach you how. First, let's go over our 4 main points. Taking initiative. Don't be afraid to be the one to make that study group. Make a group chat. I'm going to be telling you the different ways you can make a group chat, other than getting everyone's phone numbers. Keep up to date. Send out friendly reminders, send out notes, send out whatever you can to help others, and try and get your group chat to do the same for you. And plan a study session, which is, I know, the most difficult part about making a study group. But it can be done, and it doesn't have to be that big of a group. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Taking initiative. On that first day, get to know people. Speak up. Find out where others live. If people live close to you, that's great. They should be a part of your study group because the closer they live, the closer they're more likely to join you for your study sessions. And get those phone numbers or those social medias because it will help you in the long run, and it will also help you make a group chat. Now here you can see that we can make a group chat many ways. The old-fashioned way, getting everyone's numbers, or you can use an app where everyone just has to create a profile on it and download it, like on WhatsApp. Or 9 times out of 10, your classmates have a Facebook or a Snapchat or an Instagram, and you can just get their profile and add everyone in the group. And only one person has to get everyone's profile. It's honestly what everyone's comfortable with. Some people aren't comfortable with the others having their social media. Some people aren't comfortable with people having their phone number because everyone will get that phone number and everyone will get that social media. So if people aren't comfortable with that, I do recommend WhatsApp because it's a profile that's not connected to your social media. It's just for that app. And it's a great way for everyone to stay up to date and also not have to give out personal information. But if you don't care about that, which I tend not to, I'm not gonna lie, then phone numbers, social media, all a great way to make that group chat. And when you have that group chat, you can keep up to date. Keeping up to date is a wonderful way to not only remind others, but remind yourself. Now, let's say you have a test coming up. Well, tell your group chat, hey everyone, we have a test coming up next week. Don't forget to study. Or, hey everyone, don't forget that there's homework due tonight. You might want to jump on that if you haven't started. And another way to keep up to date is say someone's missing from your class that night. They're sick or they just couldn't make it. Well, when you're taking notes, take pictures of the board and send them to your group chat if your teacher will let you. Now, if their teacher doesn't let you, that kind of sucks. But you can always take pictures of your personal notes and send them to them. And that's a great way to keep everyone up to date. And if you send your notes in the group chat, then hopefully when you're sick, your group will be like, oh, they're out. Our former of our group is out. We should send them these notes. They'll help keep you up to date too. And that's a great way to help everyone. And hey, those notes are all on your phone now, so when you're on the go, you can study them. And the next thing about studying is planning that study session, which I know is the most difficult part about making a study group. But planning a study session doesn't have to be that hard. Find time that works for everyone. And if you can't, if you can only find time that works for one person, that's okay. Study with that one person. You can quiz each other. A study group doesn't have to be massive. It just needs to be one person studying with another one person. I know that sounds silly, but when you study with one person during y'all's available time, then they can study with another person in your group chat with their available time, and it can form a study chain. So all in all y'all got that study session in, and all of y'all are ready to get that A. So you got this. I know between taking initiative, making that group chat, reminding everyone, and finally planning that study session seems like a lot, but it's the perfect way to make a great study group. Even if y'all can't always meet up together, at least everyone has a partner. Everyone will find someone that has availability, and if not, they'll use those notes that you sent them through that text message. They'll utilize those reminders. They'll seek help if they need it because they have a study group and people they can message. You got this. You can make the perfect study group. If you have any questions, please let me know.